Hi guys, it's Haz from Haz Motorsport. As you all know, we've got ourselves a new MK8 GTI. We're doing some part testing on it at the moment, and we've got an intake package available that we've tried and tested. The first modification that we recommend is a Pipercross panel filter. Easiest modification. Open the top screws on the airbox and you can replace the panel filter. That's the standard paper type panel filter. It's like brand new, to be honest, but you get better flow with the Pipercross foam filters. Then we have an exclusive product here, which is from HG-Motorsport in Germany. It's the SF intake hose that fits the MK8 GTI. So you can see the standard intake hose here, how it's corrugated, and compared to the SF series hose, which you see that comes down, corrugates, where this is 3 inch all the way through. It does go down to 2.5 inch, 2.75 inch on where it actually fits onto the turbo elbow, because that's the size of the turbo elbow. But the majority of that hose is 3 inch. Now the turbo elbow itself, this is the standard turbo elbow that we have here, original VW part. This is 2.5 inch, and you can see this as well, it tapers down 2.5 inch and tapers down as well, whereas the HF series turbo elbow we have here is 2.75 inch all the way through. You can see 2.75 inch all the way through till where the fitting actually occurs here. That's where they've had to come down a little, but 2.75 inch all the way through, so you're getting a lot more better airflow with the HF series turbo elbow. And we fitted one to our MK8 GTI anyway, so it's tried and tested. All the fitment is nice and easy, straightforward fitment, and yeah, we'll be getting plenty more in stock. To be honest, I've only got one kit left in stock in the UK, but we're expecting a lot more to come in. So MK8 GTI is our platform at the moment. We've got a lot more parts coming for you. We've got intercooler, we've got exhaust tailpipes, titanium ones that we're going to be supplying. We've got a full exhaust system that we've got in production at the moment. HG-Motorsport have got a carbon fiber intake. We've even got a carbon fiber engine cover, because I'll show you this engine cover. It's that foam material rather than the proper plastic covers, so they've gone down to like a foam material. So we've got a proper carbon fiber engine cover coming soon as well. So if you want more MK8 GTI content, definitely stay tuned. Have a look at our Instagram page, our YouTube channel and stuff. This is our new project to play with until we find a new car. Peace.
This teeth,
Yep.
put inside.
Yep.
Look. First, second, twist. That's it.
Perfect. Simple installation.